Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on your HONOR Magic8 Lite smartphone isn't recognizing your fingerprints correctly. The most common reason for this issue is the screen protector being, first of all, unoriginal, and second, too thick. So if you have this problem due to the screen protector's shape or quality, then in such case the only solution would be replacing the screen protection on your smartphone. But in order to first outrule all the other possibilities, let's try to set up a new fingerprint model for this device. First of all, use a microfiber cloth to carefully wipe the entire surface of your smartphone screen. And if you don't have a microfiber cloth, you can just use a dry towel. Just make sure that the surface of your phone's display is clean and smooth afterwards. Now we're gonna have to swipe down the control center, open Settings, and in Smartphone Settings go to Biometrics and Password. Then go to Fingerprint ID. Okay, we're gonna have to set up a screen pin code first, but I prefer the pattern, so let's select another unlock method and let's go with the pattern. Redraw. Okay, tap done. Okay, and right now let's add a new fingerprint. So tap new fingerprint, and now click done. OK, and proceed by pressing the fingerprint scanner of your smartphone with your fingertip, using different parts of it, of course. It's for the better experience. Then add the edges until the pattern is filled with the blue color or the purple one. I think it's a gradient of some kind. Okay, let's confirm the edges. Almost here. Honestly, it's the longest I've ever enrolled fingerprints on any phone. Tap OK. Oh, and right now let's not yet set up Face ID. So now the other thing that we have to do before we proceed is check if our smartphone is up to date. So make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to System and Updates, go to Software Update, and check if your device has any software updates to install. You can do it even twice. And if you do have any updates, then install the most recent software update, as there could have been some minor security issues that get often fixed in new updates. And before we start testing our fingerprints, let's restart the phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, selecting restart and confirming, just to make sure that all the changes have been applied properly. Okay, and right now let's test our fingerprints, but first of all we're gonna have to enter the password one time as a security measure. And now let's test the fingerprint sensor. Okay, so it worked smoothly for me for the first time. It also worked the second time. And as you can see, everything works just fine for me. But in case you're still encountering the issues, this must be due to your device's screen protector, and you should replace it with the original HONOR screen protector, or just get a thinner one for your device's display, and this way you will eliminate all the screen protection interference with your fingerprint scanner. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.